Welcome to Cook It, your favorite online cooking show. You know who I am. And today we're doing one of my favorites, spatchcock chicken. Spatchcock chicken with roasted potatoes. Yeah. Look at Okay, so let's just get into it. So right now I just have a medium-sized bird. This is about a kilogram. And what I'm going to do is spatch it. So I flip it over, and on either side of the backbone, I just take my kitchen scissors and cut along from the tail to the top. And I do that on both sides. And then I flip it over and I press against the breastbone. That flattens it out. Once that is done, I'm going to take my fingers and just slowly and gently insert them between the skin and Johnny, stop laughing.
Hey man, I can't get over that. Even watching it is freaky.
Well, anyway, after I do that, I like to do my little trick here. I cut the pieces of butter, and I just added them between the thighs and the breasts. God.
Yeah. Right after you fingered it.
Chicken is just such a dirty thing, you know?
That's why we love it, man.
Anyway, then I just get into the seasoning. The seasoning is quite simple. You can really add what you want, but I just like to keep it nice and simple. Salt, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of pepper, and a tablespoon of paprika. And I just liberally apply those to both sides and get some between the flesh and the skin as well. And I do that for the pepper and the paprika. Basically it. You're done from there. I take my oven tray, my baking tray, add some oil, place it there, and now we move on to our potatoes. So I get some regular run-of-the-mill potatoes, and the way I like to do them is I cut them lengthwise on the sides, then I flip them and cut them lengthwise again. Then I cut them widthwise, and then you get uniform sized wedges. I pour in about 3 tablespoons of oil, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of pepper. If you want, you can also add a teaspoon of mixed herbs, and then you just toss them in the bowl. Toss and toss and toss till all of them are evenly covered. Place that alongside your chicken, and then that goes into the oven at 180 degrees for an hour. And I guess you can do a lot of things in an hour. For example, while we're waiting for the spatchcock, I might as well do my side gig. I'm voiceover artist. So yeah, an hour is done. You get out our chicken. It looks great, but we don't want to eat it yet. But I do want you to hear this. Listen to how crisp that skin is. Johnny, show me. Now that's crisp. That's hot. That's hot. Anyway, it is hot, so you have to actually let it rest. And I give it about 20 minutes. Yeah, and then you're gonna plate it. You plate it in whichever way you want. I like to do it in quarter pieces. So I cut my thigh off, then I cut the breast. Yeah. So then you add your potatoes. Then we're just gonna add like a little garnish, like add some parsley for that green, the green stuff that makes the stuff look nice, And yeah, that's our spatchcock chicken. You know what? It looks better when you do the B-roll. Johnny, show them the B-roll. How good is that? How good is that, Johnny?
Yeah, that's some good stuff, man.
Yeah.
That's some good stuff.
Yeah,
Spatchcock chicken.
Spatchcock chicken.
Yeah.
And, that's it. look like it's like those girls. Like if you're walking on a girl naked. Get out, get out. You're like, I'm sorry. But why is it? It's weird because like when you say I'm sorry, as soon as you walk in, you see everything. Like it's like it's reflexive. You don't know.
You make sure you see everything.
Like, I'm sorry.
Oh shit, is that bush over there?
You see everything. And that's the second you have analyzed that entire thing. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this one. You know what you should do. Like, comment, and share. How come you people never share? It's like so.
Come on, guys, it's free.
You press the button. It's
free to share.
Just press the button, guys. Jesus Christ. You can press the button.